All right, I'll start. All right, welcome, guys, to How's Your Bird. This is the How's Your Bird fantasy football draft going on right now. We have 10 participants, the How's Your Bird crew, with a couple extras with a familiar face of Michael Stevens. And now we have Beandong Franco, who is the twin of Sir Glizzy Gladiator, Hobie McWinney, and Devin Pelletier. Devin Pelletier, thank you for your service. So we will be ripping through. First, we are going to be picking the order of the How's Your Bird fantasy football draft.
I'm still doing these right now.
So Zach is writing down the names. So I guess we'll just do a quick intro of the new guys. Let's start off. We'll start with Steven since he's
Give
kind
us
of a
your
familiar
name
face.
and one fun fact about yourself.
Damn, my internet's really ass right now. My name is Michael Stevens. I'm lagging all over the place. Give me like 10 seconds here. Someone else go.
Evan, let's go.
Hey guys, I can go.
All right, Bean can go.
Let's
Hey,
go.
so my name is Beandong Franco, better known as Brandon Condon, and my twin is actually Zach Condon, right there.
Better known for Glizzy Gladiator, but yes.
No.
Yeah,
Daddy Z.
No one calls you.
whatever the hell you guys call
I
him.
call myself that.
Who's next?
Devin.
Devin.
Hello, Devin Pelletier. Fun fact. 7 years ago, me and Pat Story had a love story that no one knows about. About the situation.
I love that. Can you go in more detail, or is that where we're gonna leave it at?
I think we'll leave it at that for now.
Okay. Maybe later on
Next
in the
appearance.
cast. Yeah. Hobie, welcome.
My name's Hobie. My story is not as interesting as Devin's. My favorite animal is moose.
Oh, swat.
Favorite animal is moose. Michael
Right.
gets stained undies. But
Wait, so
Alright.
what's Michael's fun fact then?
I think that's he has
I think it's just hammercocks. Is this fun fact?
What?
he has stained underwear. He has fucking.
His stained underwear?
I guess so.
We already
Yes.
did that. Oh, dude, that's fine.
Apparently, that's the rumor going around.
Yeah. Who knows?
All right, so got this shit up. All right, so I have the names in this hat right here. Okay. Shout out
Internet's so bad.
Rick and Morty, Pickle Rick. All right.
$100, he just picks his name first.
No, I got all the names right here. All right, you guys. Oh fuck, something just fell out. I'm not,
Well, already feeling rigged.
not looking. All right, so I got them all in here.
Jack.
And the first pick in the draft of
2020.
2020 is, drum roll please,
Riley! Okay!
Riley. Congratulations, my friend. You are the number one pick in the draft.
$100.
How's your bird, bud? How's your bird?
Number two pick in the draft will be
Yep. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Oh.
Hobie.
Let's go.
I thought it was me. I could have been. I was locked in.
Obi. Number two. Who is someone writing this down or what?
Oh, I'm supposed to be, yep.
Just putting it in.
On. Already doing a shitty job. All right. And the number three pick will be
So mine.
dude. I'm gonna get fucked again this year. This is bullshit.
Yeah, I'm just not looking
Honestly, at this point, I'm just hoping for 8, so I get that back-to-back pick.
10.
I'm cool with
10.
5.
4 goals in the Bruins game already.
All right. Number four
Oh.
is fucking Jesus Christ. Bring the.
Kyle, what period is it?
Second.
bad.
I don't like
that
this
game. That's not
anymore.
good.
Like 4 minutes left, dude.
Number five is
Devin Pelletier.
I'm okay with that.
Actually, a good spot.
Patrick. You're in a shitty spot.
Wait, Devin hasn't gotten anything yet, has he?
No.
That just like
So order right now is Riley, and then it's what Hobie, Hobie.
Riley, Hobie, Tommy, Brandon, Pat. That's what I
I
have.
got it written down. We're good.
Pick.
Yeah, now I'm going for 8. I want 8 or 10.
God damn, Monis.
Ooh.
Dude, boy.
Tough, Modest. We're in bad spot.
This every year I get fucked. That's why I don't want to do this.
Look at the last
That is a shitty fucking idea.
It's a shitty fucking idea.
Yeah, this hat's shit.
Tobin, you can go fuck yourself.
Go. Wait, so what is this? What is this gonna be? Pick 9 now? Is it gonna be pick 9?
Gotta be pick 8.
Let me pick 8. Stupid ass.
Tobin isn't even here.
Give me 10 at this point. I'm okay with it.
Oh, okay. So it's me, Zach, and Devin right now.
Number 8 is.
Kyle, this is you.
Nope. It's Zach.
Hey, all right, wait. What pick did I get? My internet was shitting the bed for the last like 10 minutes.
Evan has pick number 8.
Pick 8.
Got 7, Stevens. Who's 8? I didn't see who got 8.
Devin.
Because Steven just came in like a freight train.
You and me. Fucking love this. I love this so much. Oh, that's dope.
It's gonna be Kyle.
Yeah, number 9.
Let's go. Wait, I'm 9?
Yeah.
Zach got the
Zach
last
is
pick.
Oh!
With the last pick, baby.
Yeah, who said I was going to get number 1? Whoever said that, you fucking jinxed me, and I'm kicking you out of the league right now.
All right. Well, Monis, is that in? Is that put in?
Yeah. Now I gotta see if I can make it start.
Who am I gonna draft first, boys? I don't know. Let me look at Monis and Tommy's mock draft real
Yo,
quick.
chill.
You didn't send
You
us-
don't
take
take
Christian
Christian
McCaffrey
McCaffrey
first.
I won last year and I got first.
Okay, so many voices.
Brandon, you gotta use your laptop speaker, dude. You gotta take those headphones out
Why?
because you sound like shit.
You sound like you're eating a sock.
Edit draft. No,
Kyle, send
I'm
me the
doing it.
mock-
I'm doing it. Chill. Don't do anything, Seth.
I'm just looking. I'm looking.
All right, I think we should be good. Go
All
check
right.
with the orders right, please.
He's
What time is the draft?
Riley,
9.
Yep.
I said it for 9. Is the draft order right?
Obi.
We're gonna sit here for 11 minutes.
No, they can change it like right now.
No, I can't do it for right now.
Is that better?
So we're gonna say
All
here
right.
for 10 minutes.
All right, guys. We will tune in next. We will wait the 10 minutes and we will put on the draft. So tune in like a second.
Yeah, just
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So we are ripping the start. Welcome back.
yeah.
We're ripping the. It's about to start in 10 seconds with Beetlejuice with the first pick of the 2020 How's Your Bird draft. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a crazy, influential night. I think this will go down in history as one of the greatest nights in the world. And Beetlejuice, take it away with the first pick.
Welcome to the best day of the year, draft day.
The f- is
What the
this?
fuck?
Alright,
is that?
alright,
What was that?
alright, shh. So I put a lot of thought into this one. Can't go wrong with this guy. Kapow.
Yeah,
Yep.
that was-
Christian McCaffrey. Wow,
Didn't see that one coming.
thinking outside the box, and I think it's going to pay off for him.
Wait, why did Devin leave?
Shit stain undies?
Obi.
Obi. How's your bird, bud? Who do you want?
Who will he take?
Who will tickle your fancy?
I go
Michael
Thomas.
Thomas. Interesting.
Second overall pick.
No, that's a power move.
Who's my
How-
pick last year?
That's a power move, dude. Honestly, like, why? That you can't go wrong with him.
I had this man last year and he did wonders for me, so I'm going to do it again.
Dalvin Cook.
Yep.
Okay.
I respect it.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Dalvin Cook.
Well, I had Saquon last year, and he was injured a little bit. But, but you know, before that, he fucking dominated. So I'm definitely gonna pick him up.
No, I was hoping he was gonna fall.
I was hoping he'd fall
There's
to
no
me
way,
after he didn't
Stevens.
go
That
second
now?
or
Yeah.
third.
On the clock. Oh fuck.
Yeah, body.
Team Foreskin.
Take Alvin Kamara.
Word.
Like it. I like it.
I hate that. I had him last year, bro, and he was dog shit.
Was it Mono?
Like, literally dog shit.
It's Monas.
Can you watch your mouth, please?
You know what I
This
mean?
You-
sucks. I have to say it. Dude, Brandon.
Brandon.
I'm-
Millie?
I swear.
He goes, dude, Brandon.
I will be taking Zeke. A pick I did not want to take, but
Derrick
I
Henry.
That's
Zeke's butthole, dude. Derrick Henry.
He's the best available. He is not. He's literally finished first in the
No.
league in rushing yards in the last 4 years.
Derrick Henry. So much better. Terrible choice.
Turtle? Who's Turtle?
I think that's
Yeah.
Devin.
Oh shit, I'm up. My bad. I'm gonna go
Dude.
It's Lair.
Word.
Okay.
All right, someone needs to turn that off, bro. All right, your boy's out here. This is tough.
Kyle and Zach with the back-to-backs.
I hate watching all those fucking good ass running backs go. This is.
It's unfortunate, Zach.
Just
Nick Chubb. All right.
Nick Chubb.
Let's see what Zach's got for the back-to-backs.
Oh, this is amazing. I love this so much.
Don't worry, you got Kenyon Drake.
Got Josh Jacobs.
Aaron Jones was a beast last year.
Joe Mixon.
Yeah, no, there's still like some gods left.
Zach,
Yeah.
you pick up whoever you want.
Of
okay?
course. I could have guessed that.
He's a Packer. He's a
I
Packer.
knew you would take it.
I said Aaron Jones. It's a good-ass pick,
I'm
boy.
in the middle of doing my fantasy
And guess what?
Oh, do I know who I'm taking? Please let
for
me
the
fall.
podcast.
All right, Zach. Who do you got?
Oh, well, here.
Austin Eckler.
Respectable.
Kyle, you had him last year, and he shat on everybody.
There you go.
Josh Jacobs.
Thank you. The big Raider running back. Let's go, baby.
I had to leave that for you, Kyle. I know you love it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
See, there's plenty of room.
Now
All right,
this.
well, this
Joe
is
Mixon.
graphic.
Okay.
Mm.
Yo, you gotta take that off as your photo, dude.
I'm excited. This is dope. All right. Everyone can see I'm going to be switching through everyone's teams right now. This is Big Daddy Z's,
Big Zaddy
better
D.
known as the Glizzy Gladiator, has Aaron Jones and Austin Eckler. This is
Who's up
Devin
right now?
Pelletier.
Oh,
I'm up. I'm trying to
Mixon.
decide which person I want.
Stovins with Derrick Henry, and he has the next pick.
Get those placeholders so the bar.
Let's see who he goes with.
Yeah, I took Julio.
Julio Jones, terrible pick for
No.
Excuse me, Kyle. What are you saying?
Terrible pick.
Shut up, Tommy.
Tommy.
I was
Get your washed up quarterback or wide receiver out of here, buddy.
no.
What?
I was
Quarterback,
gonna go-
though.
I was either
Washed
gonna go
up?
him
Did
or,
you just say washed up?
him or Hopkins.
Did he just say quarterback?
Kyler Murray.
Yeah, like you don't even know what you're talking about right now.
Tommy,
Cardinals have
calm
Stupid
down.
Pat is up right
Dude,
now.
Falcons are gonna be
Pat-
nice this year.
Pat,
Just wait.
talking to somebody right now? What is
Yeah, if you
Tommy,
don't
they
have
better
a
be.
QB.
Yeah, I know they fucking better be.
I don't even care. I just want Julio.
All right,
to
your
bro.
pick
I don't
for
give a
that.
shit about the rest of the team.
No, you guys can like see my cues, so I'm not gonna do that.
Sorry, my mom FaceTimed me.
Wait,
Yeah, we know.
Hey,
you
Tyreek
can tell
Hill.
who Kyle wants.
Shut up,
Let's just
Sharon.
steal his picks.
good pick. Good pick.
Who? Tyreek Hill. Love that.
Dude, this is awful. I have to wait another.
Dude, I'm right there with you.
Oh, God.
My picks right off the bat are gonna be
The two coolest guys in the podcast, Kyle. This kind of seems unfair, bro.
Yeah, I know, right? The fan
Sorry?
favorites here. Just getting raped.
Come on, Beaner. Who you got?
I'm thinking.
Nah, just get ready as the guys that aren't even a part of the podcast just come over and take the league.
I'm going to go Kenyon Drake.
I'll be pissed off. I'll just off the weekend, guys.
That's what they call a
He's
Hail
gonna get a lot of
Mary.
touches.
Todd Gurley, really?
On the Falcons, baby. New this year.
Oh, my ass.
He played like ass last
Tommy,
year.
what are you going to pick the whole
That's all right.
Wait, who?
I'm a kid, not girly.
Didn't he also get injured last year?
He played. He had an awful season.
Yeah, but we
Ah.
also got
team
rid
now,
of
so you-
Devontae
you-
Freeman and Tevin Coleman, and now we only have Ish Smith, and now we have fucking Todd Gurley. So
Who's up? Ooh, okay.
Mike Evans. That's
That's a beautiful pick.
that's a good pick.
Godwin.
The thing is with him is that he's not going to be catching.
Well, both
mad
the
catches
Buccaneers
downfield.
wide receivers.
I had him
back-to-back
last
big
year, and
guys.
he
He's not going to be catching shit all the way downfield. No more.
what do you mean?
Tom Brady ain't got an arm like that.
Zach, you just sound dumb at this
Let's
point.
go.
No,
talking about.
Tom Brady don't got an arm like that, dude.
You
But it's
be
Aaron
quiet.
Oh no, Devontae Adams.
Oh, what happened, Stevens?
No.
Oh, what? You fucking piece of shit.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, that's not funny, dude.
Did you know Geico is now offering an extra
Who's doing that?
Who is it?
Bonus.
So what are you waiting for?
Who is it?
To knit you a
Is
scarf.
it me?
Me.
Oh, well, turn it off.
This podcast is
Yeah.
sponsored by Geico.
No, don't.
15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
All right. Who's on the clock? Bring it on. Go ahead, Breener. Adam Thielen. Okay.
Yo, pick Juju. Lights out for me last year, bud. First round pick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unreal.
Lights out, Kyle. Lights out.
No, lights out, dude. Literally couldn't stop the man from dropping passes and not
George
catching.
Kittle. Okay.
Kyle, I had him to so ass.
Dude,
last
he was my
year.
first round pick, and I couldn't even trade him for some bum dude,
He-
bro.
I had the
Oh,
same.
you tried to
thing.
shoot me some shitty ass trades for
Dude, I was just trying to get rid of him, bro. I was like literally just begging.
Yeah, that was dumb.
Yeah, dude, he's just not. He's a good wide receiver when he's not the wide receiver one. He needs someone ahead of him.
Dog is chewing a water bottle.
You can do it.
Who's,
Mike.
No one wants Miles
Who's
Sanders?
up right now? Who is this?
Honest. Or now it's.
No, it's me.
Stovins.
Let's go, fat hoe.
Really? No.
Dude.
I might. Oh. Fuck it. No, I'm gonna.
You almost just picked Lamar Jackson. I know that's what you just did.
Dude.
Dude, you're. If you pick a quarterback before the 6th round, I will punch you in your mouth.
Hi, Mimi.
I have to do it.
Yo, Stovins, this is a what?
Dude,
you,
Shut up.
Saying anything.
Not that hard.
Yeah.
Kenny Galladay. Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah, that's a good pick. I had him last year. He was pretty fill.
All right, Portis. Is that Devin?
Devin here.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go with
Devin wanted Kenny Galladay too. I know it.
I'm gonna go DJ.
I just
DJ Moore. That's a good ass pick though.
My three first picks all have the same bye week.
Yeah, that's why I was saying you picked Godwin and Mike Evans.
But hey, it's a 13th week. It's whatever.
Yeah, it's all good, bro. We'll have a backup for them.
Uh-huh.
Yo, it's fine. You're just gonna go 12-1. It's cool.
Fine with that.
For some reason, Devin, you should have just let it like auto draft again because every year when you auto draft, you.
Yeah, Devin's team just is filthy anyway. Well, because
Last year. Fuck you guys.
last year was us picking the team for him.
Yeah.
And we made it pretty nice.
So here's what I'm thinking now. Wide
Add
receivers
everyone.
that are left are not the most reliable guys, and I need a flex.
Running back.
So I'm thinking Miles Sanders.
It's not bad. You got back to backs though.
Yeah. This is hard, bro. This is hard. You know what? Fuck it. He didn't do shit last year, but actually no, I can't pick him.
Come on.
Fuck it.
What'd you go with?
You just Odell.
Yes.
That's
Had to.
I didn't go back to back.
that's risky.
He's got to have a comeback here.
That was a good pick. I wanted him to drop to me.
Wasn't gonna happen, dog.
What do I got? All right.
The thing is with wide receivers too is that any of them could show up. So.
Devin, who you got, kid?
Did he leave?
He's in the draft still.
Devin's muted. Oh shit. Devin's on the phone with someone. Oh, he's
Devin, we can't hear
Oh, there we
you.
go.
Can't hear
Calvin Ridley. That's good.
What did I do?
Oh, there we go.
What?
He goes, "What did I do?"
Zach, you're gonna hate me for this next pick.
You're gonna pick Aaron Rodgers? What?
No, why the fuck Aaron Rodgers?
I
No,
was gonna say, why would you? Well, why am I gonna hate you?
Easy said it. Don't pick a QB before
You're
the
a fucking
6th
idiot,
round, and
dude.
I'm picking
Oh my
Lamar
God.
Jackson because I feel like he can represent my team because he's definitely packing.
What?
I think Michael's
Really backing.
picking teams based on the girth and size of winners.
Shout out that guy who just made a OnlyFans.
Yeah.
Plaxico Burris.
first.
I wouldn't make an OnlyFans. If people would buy it, no doubt about it. just to beat my dick like I do every night.
And get paid for it, dude.
Make a name off of it.
Dude,
I just
13.
love how he went.
The overhit in the Denver game.
You're it.
Oh my God. It's at 120 right now.
It hit.
It's at 120 with 13 seconds left. 120.
Let's
Denver
go.
up by 6.
Let's go.
Oh, that was scary.
How are we looking for the? What do we have left?
Did you bet on
Bruins just started the third period. Top of the 6th, Detroit, Chicago 0-2 still. Bruins 2-2. They can only let up one more goal in that game. And
Because that's just game. It can't be more than 3-2, and then there's gonna be an empty netter.
yeah,
Okay.
well, that's why I'm hoping it goes to overtime.
Don't like that.
Slam Diego just started. So try to get that over of 8.
All right.
Okay.
Elton Gordon. All right.
Wow, we're ripping through them now.
James Conner. Mark. Whoa. Who's? Oh my God, we're just ripping right now. Holy shit.
Love this.
Oh, Mark Andrews. Fuck, I wanted Mark Andrews. Good pick.
It sucks. Pick somebody else.
Oh, James Conner.
Damn.
It's a good pick, Riley. I was eyeing him.
He hit or miss. But he did well actually.
I do need another solid wide receiver.
Tommy, I need you to calm down. You're really like. Oh, are you up right now?
Ooh, stupid.
I'm not picking wisely. Me and my players have a bye in the 13th week, and 2 of them have week 8.
I feel like you do that every year.
I do that every year. Hey, it'll be okay.
All right, Brain Dong, who you got, dog? Oh, he's just sitting there. I see him through the hole in my door. Jonathan Taylor, okay.
Yeah, that's a good pick. That's a good pick.
Pocket. Monis, who you got? Nice, I can see.
Scroll through the teams real quick. This is Zach's team.
Pretty bad.
Devin Pelletier's team, right here on the left.
Even worse.
Stoven's team. Horrible. I almost just threw up, actually. Monis's team.
He got him Mahomes? Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, wait, so why did I get
Pat.
shit for drafting Lamar and Monis legit drafted him?
Like,
You took
okay.
Lamar, and Mahomes was the top available person, and in my head, I was like, I could take him right now, otherwise someone's gonna take him.
Very understandable.
When did you
Oh, dude. Yeah. Cooper Cup.
You got him
Damn.
fucking way back. Dude, you got him 4th round? You're beat. You guys are fucking beat.
I don't know
Who?
why you
Cooper Cup.
on a DK.
The motherfuckers are
Well,
choosing
not really beat because Mahomes and Lamar put up way better numbers than first round picks.
That's true. Lamar and Mahomes do put up fat numbers.
Love that DK
Kyle.
pick, Devin. Love that DK pick.
I was sleeping.
Oh, dude. Devin, no. He was my next pick, dude.
Yeah, I was scouting him out.
Yeah, I was choosing
Fuck
between
you,
him
I'm
or Cooper
literally
Kupp.
about to pick them.
Yeah, fire pick. Fire pick right there.
My inspiration in life.
He's nasty.
I want to get muscular like him. Have a big dick. So
Big dick.
Oh.
Michael, I already know who you're looking at.
Dude, but when it's my pick, give me a guess, and I'll tell you if you're right or wrong, guy.
Unless he's gone by your pick.
Yeah, man.
No,
shit.
he'll still be there.
Come on, Zach. You
Shut up,
suck.
Cole.
Nah, the 2 people I'm thinking of, Tommy, is like left field.
I see,
Well, I know
see
one of them. I know one of them that's left
I
field.
see one of your left fields big time.
Yeah, I think me and Monis might be looking at the same one.
Yeah, I think so. I think so, too. I scrolled down.
188.4, week 11.
Yup.
All right, I'm about to draft the best flex player in the game, DeAndre Swift.
Love that, Devin. Love that, Devin.
Right.
Have it coming.
Right?
Wait, so Tommy, who did you think I was gonna take?
Either Sterling Shepard or Stephon Diggs.
I think Hollywood Brown.
I was thinking Stephon Diggs
Yeah, I already
or AJ Green because he has Burrow now.
Yeah, but like he also like ruined. What was his injury? Like his
butthole.
like Achilles he tore or something.
He hasn't
Wait,
played
who tits out for Tigger? Is that
Nah,
money?
Yeah.
He tore his butthole. Hate to see it, bro.
Yeah,
AJ Green.
Zach he tore and there's a big old crack down the center. But
Yeah, no, it's crazy, dude. I hate when that happens.
I can't even like think about who I want to pick next because I'm so far away.
DJ Chuck.
Nah, I don't even care about.
DJ Shark is good. That was good.
Kyle, shut your mouth. Oh, who picked him? Damn it, Monis picked Shark.
Yeah, idiot. That's why I said it.
Sorry, I was texting. My
I
bad.
wanted
Unreal.
Terry McLaurin, but I already have 2 wide receivers with bye week 8s.
oh, dude, I haven't even been looking at the buys.
Unreal.
Stupid
This guy.
face.
This guy.
Should probably. Oh, I have 2 by week 9. You should probably pay attention now.
Yeah, I know he doesn't got no Tom Brady anymore, but he was pretty reliable for me. So
Who the fuck did you pick?
Oh, Edelman.
Oh, okay. Oh, Cam Newton and him
Might link up. I don't know. We'll see.
might link up, hook up.
Dude, I had him last year. He just like literally got hurt every other week. Another QB gone.
Riley, that's
Rounds
a pick.
round 7.
Did someone take
I
Russell
haven't-
Wilson already? I thought I saw him.
Yeah.
He just went.
Russell Wilson, round 7, pick 1.
He just won. And then... What QBs have been taken?
Lamar,
you love?
Holmes, Wilson.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I saw one other. Sorry. Dak Prescott. Yeah.
Oh, Dak. Who took Dak? Oh, Hobie did.
Hobie did.
Damn.
Deshaun Watson. Patrick Watson. Yeah.
Oh, Patrick
how good?
Watson.
All right, should I go Evan Ingram or Darren Waller?
Why
would
are
you
you asking him?
Because I don't know who Darren
I'm not
Waller is.
answering that question.
Not
What
good.
All right, so I'm
Go
gonna
with
draft.
Ingram.
I'm gonna do Darren Waller.
Yeah, Derek Waller's nasty. He's on the Raiders.
Love that.
Raiders Nation, baby. I'm going to go through the teams again, starting with Glizzy Gladiator. Not too shabby. Devin.
Oh, Murray, baby. 42.
Stevens. Monis's team.
Dude, my brother's freaking out
Pat.
because I'm using too much internet.
Brandon. Thomas.
Matt Ryan. Ew, being done.
Brandon, god damn it, why, dude?
Let's
He's just
go.
butter. He's butterhole scotch pudding fucking shit.
So bad.
Whoa. I don't even know what that means, but Pat.
Easy
Okay.
shit.
Tough.
And yes, Tommy, I want you to take offense to that.
What?
All
No,
right.
Matt Ryan, dude. Matt Ryan. Ever since that Super Bowl loss, he's been.
Okay, good. I'm glad you.
Hollywood Brown's still up.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, boys. I'm auto drafting the rest.
All right, Patty. Have fun, brother.
Okay,
What's up, Pat?
okay.
See you, boys.
Good night,
Nice.
ugly.
Let's go. Top of the first. Seattle's up 2-0 on Slam Diego. Love that. Over's looking nice. How's your bird?
I hope he did some cues, because if not, he's kind of screwed.
Nah, it's just gonna be auto draft, and that sucks for him.
Devin's up. What does Devin got? Marquise Brown. Okay.
No, I picked Marquise Brown, bro.
No fan.
Hollywood.
Kyle, bring that ass here, boy.
Hope it wins.
See,
Phone's out for Bontu.
Mine used to be Dick Top for Harambe, but I changed it. And then last year it was the Blackington Crackheads. And then this year.
don't live there anymore, so I can't do that no
How
more.
can you overlook the GOAT, Matt Stafford?
Try to pull a fast one on us.
Got to pull a fast one on us.
Gotta go Drew Brees. He always
I
does well
was
for
gonna
me.
pick him too, but then I realized he's trash. So.
Yep, that's
And his relationship with Michael Thomas is probably a little bit tarnished there. So.
yeah, but I guarantee you he's still gonna be dropping dimes, to Michael Thomas. Because
Times. Times.
No, he's gonna drop. No, he's gonna drop dimes. My quarterback, Daniel Dimes, bro. Let's get it.
yes,
Oh,
love
right.
you. I literally,
bum ass.
I hate that pick.
Tyler's not gonna do shit for you this
I
year.
hate that pick.
I think he's gonna be a beast.
I think he's gonna be a.
I
don't
think
think he's.
Tyler's gonna be a beast.
I think
too.
he's a
Got
bust.
Crazy
I think he's a
receiver
bust.
core now.
And DeAndre. Oof.
Yeah, with DeAndre, dude, he's got DeAndre, Larry Fitzgerald still, Christian Kirk, Andy Isabella.
There you go, Monis. Just good shit. Keep going, dogs. Give me. Let's go.
All right, Zach. You wanna rip out a pick real quick, bud?
I'm gonna grab a pickle for you. Boom. Roasted.
My picks have been so quick. Like I know who I want. Like
Yeah,
I'm-
exactly. I don't know what's going on here. Zach, you had like 5 years under, you know.
Like we're in the same position. We
I'm
get
gonna
back-to-back picks.
I'm gonna be sorry.
Figure it out.
I'm being sorry. No, because I'm looking at bye weeks now, so I can't.
Good. Oh man.
Oh my god.
Monis, I'm surprised you didn't go with your prodigy, Danny Dimes.
I had to take Mahomes when he's available, bro.
Sorry, Devin. Love you.
Okay. Marvin Jones.
None of you are gonna pick Danny Dimes, so I'll just take him as my backup. It's fine.
Hey.
Monis.
Oh, Stevens is in this. I forgot.
Watch your tone.
Stevens is in this.
Giants fan?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks, dude. I feel bad for you.
Oh yeah.
Aren't you a Packers fan?
2 Super Bowl wins that we have, right, Zach?
Aren't you we beat you to get to the Super Bowl and then we beat the Patriots.
The
How long
comeback
was that?
player of the year, Matt
How long ago
Stafford.
was that again?
Matt Stafford, Player of the Year.
Comeback player.
How long is Zach? How long has it been since the Packers won a Super Bowl?
Actually, it's 2010, I believe, or 11. So
No, 2011 was the Giants actually.
probably 2010 then.
So that's a decade ago.
Yeah, wow.
We're consistently better than the Giants.
That's literally 10 years. There's literally kids that have been born since then. They're 10 years old now.
I think I'm gonna go Devontae Parker.
Consistently better. Just like, somebody was
Devontae. So wait, two was the Miami QB, now, right?
Yeah, well, the Raiders' last Super Bowl was in 1984, so you know my level,
even know
boy. You talk about drought? No.
Just
Beat
like
the-
Ja is consistently better than.
I thought Pat was on auto draft.
He is.
So why?
He did press auto though before he left. It must have been on auto.
Oh, there we go. Go ahead.
Wrong, you big tubby asshole.
If it's the defense.
What?
Brandon with
I
Rob
think he did make a
Gronkowski. Tommy with Joe Burrow.
Ooh, Tommy, I don't know about that one.
I don't hate that because he's got a lot of upside.
A lot of upside.
That's
A
what.
lot of upside.
Yeah, but is your QB1, man?
Hell yeah, baby.
Yeah, Carl. give him
He's gonna have them rings, boy.
All right, Tommy. Just because you went with Joe Burrow, I'm gonna ride for you a little bit.
Who you going with?
We're gonna go with Tyler.
No,
Boyd.
he was gonna be my next pick. Fuck.
No.
There goes that.
All right, and then we're gonna go with For some reason, he kind of had a decent year last year. You know what?
Oh, I was looking at him.
He's
Not
the
a bad
top
pick.
hand,
Not a
top
bad
receiver in Jets by a mile, dude. Top receiver in Jets by a mile.
Had to.
That's a good one.
Hey, I made sure their bye weeks weren't the same either, so we're good for my wide receivers.
is set.
It's like 6'5".
Lock it in, boys. Get ready to get fucked this year. No, by no other than me, baby.
This is my prediction. Zeke
I actually hope I lose. I want to get How's Your Bird 10.
Zeke goes down and Tony plays.
All right, we're going through it. Zach's team is locked and loaded. We're going to go. This is my team.
Love that.
Devin's team locked in.
Yes, sir.
Stoven's team
Devin has a bunch of sleepers.
locked in.
Yeah, I chose only sleep.
Monis's team locked in.
Yeah, but Devin, I feel like does that every year, and he somehow.
Pat's team locked
It's
in.
very good.
Brandon's team
If they
locked
put it
in.
together.
Tommy's team
His name
not
is
quite locked in. Waiting on Tommy to pick.
Oh, it's my pick.
Yeah. Oh my. Bro.
Sean Jackson. Okay. Stove. Oh wait. Oh, Hobie
That's over.
with a kicker.
And you know I'm gonna end it with my man.
You picking?
John Brown.
I like that.
John
John
Brown.
Brown.
I love it.
that.
He fell for a while.
Let's go.
All right, guys. Well, there's the draft. It's locked in. We'll keep you guys posted on how the season goes. There's 2 less games this season, right? Is that what I? 2 less games. So a lot's on the line. We'll let you know what we decide is the punishment for the loser.
First week,
You guys
and you.
throw out some comments and let us know what you guys think the punishment should be.
That too.
All right, boys. Thanks for watching.